Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option to your Visa card. First, log into your Pocket Option account. Once you're in, go to the menu on the left and click on Finance. Under Finance, click on the Withdrawal button. Now, keep in mind that you need to have made at least one deposit before you can withdraw. Otherwise, this feature will stay locked. Once eligible, withdrawals are usually processed automatically within a few minutes, but can sometimes take up to 3 business days. Next, choose your payment method. Select Visa card from the list. Enter your card details like the card number and required information. Remember, you don't need to provide your CVV code, only the card number and account details. Once everything is filled out, confirm the withdrawal. Pocket Option will process your request and the funds should arrive shortly on your Visa card. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from Pocket Option to your Visa card. If this video helped, hit the like and subscribe button and check out our next tutorial.